When there are health hazards, health problems, I will also show in your reply that there are health problems which are coming.
Speaker sir, so far आमच्याकडे असली कंप्लेन येऊ ना.
I've asked also whether there are any reports, any tests done.
जी तूं म्हणटा तशी कंप्लेन खंयच येऊ ना गोंयांत.
The officers have not understood my question and answered properly.
तुम्ही त्या लोकांची काळजी घेता म्हाका खबर आसा, गरीब लोकांची.
Fortified rice with iron, there will be complications.
सो फार आमचे कडेन कसलीच कंप्लेन येऊ ना गोंयांत. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया काळजी घेता, आमी घेता, तर प्रॉब्लेम काय ना.
When there are health hazards, health problems, I will also show in your reply that there are health problems which are coming. I've asked also whether there are any reports, any tests done before to identify the people who require it. And answer is yes. I've asked for the copy of the report, and Mak report dilto is a report which rice dalda for testing. If the rice is sent for testing, it doesn't mean the people are requiring it. The question is whether people are suffering from anemia, people are suffering from iron deficiency, whether you have conducted any test about it. That was my question. But answer, you have given me some test done in Bombay and you send me the report. That means your officers have not understood my question and answered properly. So my first question to you is, without a conscious decision and without identifying the target groups or areas which need increase in iron, how can the government put citizens at risk by pushing fortified rice to everybody? Because not that everyone needs fortified rice. You may say women require fortified rice because women mostly are anemic. Some children are anemic. But you give to men fortified rice with iron, there will be complications. So how do you make this? First question.
स्पीकर सर, सो फार आमचे कडेन असली कंप्लेन येऊ ना. जी तूं म्हणटा तशी कंप्लेन खंयच येऊ ना गोंयांत. आनी जो आमी रायस टेस्टिंगा धाडटा बॉम्बे, तो सारको आसा काय ना, ताका न्युट्रिशन मागीचे आसा काय ना, हे तांदूळ जे धाडटात आनी ताका आमी ते विटामीन्स मिक्स करता मदीं न्युट्रिफायड करतात, ते बाबा ते सारकें आसा काय ना म्हणून आमी बॉम्बे धाडटा, टेस्टिंगा धाडटा थंय, आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी लोकांक दिता. सो फार आमचे कडेन कसलीच कंप्लेन येऊ ना गोंयांत. कारण गोंयांत हे सगळे देशांकय वयता हे आसा हे रायस, आनी ते रायस जे आसा तितून सगळे तेजे मिक्स करून धाडटा विटामीन, आनी विटामीन मिक्स करून धाडले नंतर ते गरीब लोकांक विटामीन मेळना म्हणून ताका लागून ते मिक्स करून धाडटा. आनी ते विटामीन सगळे लोकांक जे आसा गरीब लोकांक, कित्याक तूं खायन ते रायस, ते तूं श्रीमंत न्हू, ते गरीब लोकांक रायस, ते गरीब लोक खाता. तुमी त्या लोकांची काळजी घेता म्हाका खबर आसा, गरीब लोकांची. ते गरीब लोकांक आमी हे दिता, रायस दिता, आनी ते रायस सगळे तेचे बरें आसता आनी कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. आमी सगळी काळजी घेतल्या, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया काळजी घेता, आमी घेता, तर प्रॉब्लेम काय ना.
The Union Health Minister has confirmed the prevalence of the anemia in India has increased as per the National Family Health Survey, NFSH4 in 15-16 and to the NFSH5 which is in 1921. Twice they had did it, and it has increased that from the 58.56% to the 67.1% among the children age group between the 6 to 59 months, and from the 53.2 to 57.2 among the pregnant women aged between the 15 to 49 years, and 52.4% to 52.2% among the pregnant women aged to 15 to 49 years has increased, which is again 22.7% to 25%, and among the men aged 15 to 49 years, the anemia and micronutrient deficiency in the country. And because of that, they have suggested that, okay, the ministry devised the standard operating procedure SOP for the quality management of the protocol, and according to that, the state has accordingly engaged it is an Reliable Analytic Lab Private Services Limited, and for that purpose, it is a micronutrient which is containing of the iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, and which is required for the same.
The FSAAI, that is Food Safety Standards Authority of India, has made a notification. This rice is not just that good. And the words are this: every package of food fortified with iron shall carry a statement. People with thalassemia may take under medical supervision, and persons with sickle cell anemia are advised not to consume iron-fortified food products. So this is one of the worries which comes in the beginning, before you give it. Now then, my question is, this rice is being sold in open market under the PDS. People are not taking the whole sack and going. Sack genos natte. So sakache astole stamp. When you are distributing to the people, how are you giving this statutory warning? Because they're taking small bags. Whoever takes in sack is different, but those who take in small quantities, because depending on that, how are you conveying this message of the warning? Second part of this question is, in that same number 4, you're talking of regular awareness activities are being conducted to increase awareness about the benefits of fortified rice. When you convey benefits, you should also warn people of side effects. It will be proper. It doesn't frighten anybody, but suddenly if they see this, they may get shocked. If you inform them properly with that, so what are the steps you are taking to disclose these benefits to the common man?
आमचे सगळ्यांचे अवेअरनेस गोंयभर जाता आनी गोंयभर आमी अवेअरनेस गांवांनी करतात. सो फार आमी कांयच सद्या आमकां येवना. गोंय एंटायर गोंया साकून कसले सायड इफेक्टाचे येवना.
ना तूं समजलो ना.
हय.
इफ FSAI तेच वॉर्निंग दितात जाल्यार
कोण दिता वॉर्निंग?
फूड स्टँडर्ड सेफ्टी स्टँडर्ड ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया तुमी बरयला रिप्लायन. FSAI warning.
There is a display of board outside the fair price shops regarding this.
No, it is on every food packet. That's what it is.
It is on big package, but there is a display asta.
ते सकाळी येता.
When you're when it is every package of food. So package of food means it can be in a sack, it can be in a small pack.
There is one display board in front of the fair price shop regarding this.
If I send someone to pick it up, but I'm going to consume at home, I should be open the packet and know the danger which is lying. So it should be on the packet. You ask them to put the packet. I have no problem. But this is what is missing. This must be put for the people. So what can be done on this?